Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Today I'll be filming my top 5 perfume recommendations for the men. I have filmed a top 5 perfume recommendations video for women, so I just thought, why should I leave men behind? So my first perfume recommendation and the first category that I'm going to talk about is the lunch or the brunch setting. And I would recommend Vibrato by Sospiro. It's literally like holding like that fruit and squeezing it, and the juice that comes out of it is this perfume. It is literally like spraying yourself with that juicy grapefruit like that juicy grapefruit on your entire skin. It is some citruses, it has some patchouli, it has some like herbaceous greenness to it. Oh, and it has some woodiness to it as well. If you want to smell fresh and very like vibrant, this is going to be your perfume, and that is why it is a perfect lunch or a brunch perfume. It is perfect for that occasion because it's a super daytime fragrance. The longevity on this fragrance for being a fresh fragrance, it is insane. It easily lasts for 10 hours on my skin and then on my clothes for even longer. I don't know how they have done it, what they have done with this perfume, but it lasts forever and it is very difficult. And trust me, I have tried and I have many citrus perfumes and many fresh fragrances. They don't last for more than 4 to 6, like 6 hours is like a stretch when you talk about fresh fragrances. They do not last on your skin for long. This perfume does. I don't know what kind of sorcery they have done with this perfume. It is an amazing recommendation for a man who likes wearing his fresh fragrances and who likes smelling like really vibrant and really like attractive. I mean, it's a very intoxicating perfume. It projects like crazy as well. So I had worn this perfume for a lunch, and as soon as I entered, she was like, "What are you wearing? You smell so good. I could smell you as soon as you like opened the door." And I was so taken aback because I was not expecting that kind of a compliment. It was just crazy how much this perfume projects, because there was easily like a 6 feet distance between us. And when I opened the door, that perfume entered with me, I think, and she smelled it and she loved it so much that she asked me to write it down for her. So that is just a little tidbit of the perfume and when I had worn it. So the next category that we're going to talk about is the casual everyday perfume, and for that I would recommend you try out Erba Pura, and this is by Zojov. This perfume, it is a very well blended, fruity, musky fragrance. I mean, maybe it's just me, but when I smell this perfume and when I spray it on, it just gives me that kind of a cool, watery feeling. Oops. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's just me, but yeah, I think you should give it a try. And a funny thing about this perfume, I was just talking to my dad. He was just trying my perfumes, and he tried this one. And then, so his layover, he was coming here from India, and his layover was in Dubai. And he came here and he smelled this, and he was like, "Oh my God, the entire Dubai airport was smelling like this." And I was like, okay, that sounds a little strange, but maybe I think I get his point. I think this perfume does have some, I don't know, some Arabic Arabic aspect to it. I don't know. It's just a blend of that musk with something, musk with that woodiness. I think that as the longer you wear this perfume, the more it smells like an Arabic perfume, at least on my skin, on his skin as well. So yeah, I think that was an interesting thing about this perfume. The longevity and the projection on this perfume, don't even get me started. If you are a guy who wants to spray your perfume in the morning and forget about it the entire day, you can do that with this perfume, because after spraying it once during the day, you will not have to spray this back again, because it just lasts forever. It's like it lasts for freaking forever on your skin and on your clothes. It really lasts for days on my clothes. I can smell it for, the next day, the day after. It's a very long lasting perfume, and it projects like crazy as well. It projects for like 10 meters. It's a very loud bubble that it forms around you. It's insane for being a fruity, musky fragrance, that it smells, that it projects so much, and it does also leave a trail behind you. So that is also a great thing about this perfume. So if you are a man who just wants to go about his day without, caring much about your perfumes, you just want to spray it and go about your day not worrying about it, this is going to be a perfume right here. I hope you give it a try, and yeah, let me know what you think. So the next scent category is date night. So for a date night perfume for a man, I would recommend wearing Ivory Route by Zojov. This perfume, oh, it's so romantic. It's such a romantic perfume, and I can totally see a very charming guy wearing this perfume and like pulling it off. Yeah, it's just a very charming, romantic, soft perfume to wear on a date. This perfume has some beautiful notes of some spices. It's a very spicy fragrance, so it has some spices, it has some vanilla, some little bit of amber, it has some patchouli. Yeah, it's a very soft, spicy fragrance, and it's it's just, yeah, if you are like a soft, charming, sexy guy, I think this is going to be for you. The longevity on this perfume is about 4 to 6 hours, and the sillage or the projection is intimate. So it's a very intimate perfume. It won't disturb the other person. It's not a loud, intimidating fragrance. It'll sit closer to your skin. It'll form a beautiful bubble around you. People, when they hug you or when they come near you, they'll be able to smell you. So it's a very nice fragrance, and I hope you give it a try, and I hope you like it. So the next fragrance category would be an office perfume, and for that I would recommend you try out Grand Soir by MFK. Maison Francis Kirk de Jean. I always struggle to say that name. Okay, so this perfume, oh, it's a very ambery and very sexy perfume, like a very sexy, sophisticated, very put together man. I can see this perfume on that kind of a person. This perfume has a lot of amber, which I absolutely love. It has a lot of amber, some tonka bean, some vanilla, I think, little bit, just to give it like a subtle creamy touch. Yeah, it's a little spicy. Yeah, it's just, all in all, it's just a beautiful, captivating perfume. It sits closer to your skin. It does project for some time, but as it dries down, the longer you wear it, it starts sitting closer to your skin. The longevity is great on this perfume as well. It lasts very long on my skin. It lasts for about 8 hours on my skin and a little longer on my clothes. As I said, it does project, but it does, tone down after some time, so it won't disturb anyone. It's just that amber. It just warms up on your skin. It's very inviting and comforting, but at the same time, very sophisticated. I hope you give it a try. I hope you like it. Finally, we are talking about the night out category for a man. So for this, I would recommend wearing Oud For Greatness. So this is like a 10 ml bottle of Oud For Greatness. I'll leave the picture of the full bottle somewhere on the screen for you to refer to. But this perfume, Oh, it is such an intoxicating and such a loud fragrance. When I say loud, I mean it in a good way. It's like an indicator that the perfume is has a great massive projection. It's dark, it's very dry. This perfume is very dark and dry. Yeah, it just, oh, it's a very, very captivating and a very like bold fragrance, I would say. It has lots of oud. So the name is Oud for Greatness, and yes, indeed it is. So it has oud wood, it has some saffron, it has some spices. It's a very spicy, dark, dry, and a little musky perfume. Oh, it is. It's just beautiful. This fragrance is magnificent. It's like literally magnificent and bold. It is a very intimidating fragrance as well, so it is amazing to wear during the night time, or when you're going for a night out, when you're going for parties, when you're going for, um some event at night, with lots of people around you. This is a perfect fragrance for that, because it's just you're going to be noticed. It's like a take notice perfume. Everyone is going to notice you. Everyone is going to like get intimidated by the fragrance that you're wearing. It's just amazing, this perfume. This lasts for days. It really lasts for days on your skin. You know, when you just spray a perfume and then you're like, man, I don't feel like wearing this today. Let me try something else. I had done this. I had done it with this perfume. I sprayed it and I was like, no, this is maybe it's too loud for, wherever I was going at that time. And I literally scrubbed it off and it wasn't coming off. The scent wasn't leaving my skin. It is that potent. It is crazy how strong this perfume is. It's insane. Even the projection, it will enter the room before you and also stay once you leave the room. It has an amazing trail. It has a very strong sillage as well. Like, can you imagine when you leave the room, everyone present in the room can still smell you? That is the dream. That is my dream. When I wear a perfume, and this is it for anyone who wants to smell like intimidating, mysterious, very, like very dark and captivating. I would recommend you try this perfume 100%. So those were all my recommendations for you guys, and let me know what you think. Which one you liked the best? I hope you at least like one, and actually, I'm hoping that you liked all my recommendations and you just go run and just run and give it a try. But yeah, in all honesty, I really think that you at least resonated with one perfume. Let me know which one you liked the best in the comments below. Also, let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel. Until then, remember to spread those good vibes and beautiful scents wherever you go. See you next time. Thank you.